Welcome to a new video, and in this video I want to explain more about the new Rail Square from BenchDogs UK. Why is this thing so awesome and why is it better than the old one? If you want to know more, watch this video. So if you are familiar with BenchDogs Rail Squares, MK1 was the very first one that they brought on the market. Then, until almost 2-3 months ago, the MK2 was on the market. And I think this is already a great Rail Square with some great features. And now they came out with the MK3 version, the Ultra. And this is a really big improved piece of kit if we look to the MK2 version. And I will explain you why is that. Alright, MK2, MK3. The first thing you notice is this clamp versus these thumb cam clamps. Point is with these things, they can come loose when you are cutting, so they loosen up a little bit and then you lose your squareness. It's not a big deal because if you tie these bolts up very tight, then you don't have that issue, but over time you have to redo that. Now they came out with this clamping mechanism, which is super handy to clamp it against your last T-slot in your track, and it sits really sturdy. It's called the Ultra, I think, because it's capable to carry out the track saws on the market. Mafell, Bosch, Triton, DeWalt, Milwaukee, all of them. You need to change some stuff, especially the pins. You can store these pins, store them over there, then you don't lose them. But I'm using Festool, so I don't have to do this, and I will probably glue these in with some Loctite so they always are there. So if we have another look here, we have this sliding bar here, and this helps you to lay it on your workpiece so your Rail Square doesn't fall away. They integrated that in this Rail Square as well, so here, so you don't have to do that anymore. You have it on two sides so you can use it on two ways. There is another thing, there are two attach possibilities available at BenchDogs, so you can really make a massive square for really big boards. You are able to extend this to triple the size. So that's, I think, another reason they called it the Ultra. If you watch my videos on Instagram or my previous videos on YouTube, you know that I'm a really big fan of the repeat stop system. For me, the best solution in my workshop. This is also available for the MK3 Rail Square, but I will keep this on my MK2 and I will keep my MK3 just for cutting square, so that I don't have to take this off and on anymore. Alright, if you are interested in this MK3 Rail Square, I'll put a link in the description below. You can get 5% discount. Use my code DC007 on the BenchDogs website. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. I will really appreciate that. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video.